Hello future developers, welcome to another tutorial to ABCD. Today there's going to be our first project on machine learning. So there's a link teachablemachine.withgoogle.com/train, or you could just type teachable machine learning. Okay, so this where you could start a new project, open projects that is stored in your drive, and then open project from your file or open a file. Okay, so teachable machine learning. Okay, so you have frequently asked questions, and then here is where you could have tutorials, and then you send feedback. Okay, so the link teachable machine learning. Okay, so you're going to train the computer to recognize your own images, sounds, and then poses. So teachable, on their welcome page or their website, you could see projects that people have done here. So we're going to start our own with an image project, then we'll move to audio and then post projects. We could just use any of them. We'll start with the image project. Okay, so I'm going to start with the image project. So here are classes that we could start with. So at first, we want our machine learning model to learn how to recognize brush. And then the mouse. Then we can add class by clicking there. Add bottle. Okay, so you can also upload files from your computer or you use our webcam. So you need to give Teachable access to your webcam. So you hold to record. Okay, so you hold to record whilst you could see I'm moving the brush around so that we'll get accurate predictions from various angles. I'm going to do same for the mouse. Sorry, I'm doing. Okay, so with the holding the webcam, hold to record. So I'm going to rotate or move the mouse slightly a bit. Now I want to record 94 images. You could do more for accurate predictions. I'm going to do same for the bottle. So click on the webcam, hold to record while moving the bottle slowly. I have 115 image samples. We decide to add more classes. And on this, you can delete your class, disable, remove all samples, or download samples, or you save the samples to your drive. So I'll click on train model, and then my model is being trained. So we are training our model to do the classification, to be able to classify images or the various images that we've given it. So that's from brush, mouse, and bottle. Okay, so you could see it's reading or it's training the model. So you're going to wait a while it does the training. So it's done training. Okay, so we have some epoch. These are more advanced trainings that advanced programmers to understand, but I could read to understand it. So data sets, epoch. So 50 times. So if you are training, you have a data set of 50. You want to put 50. Okay, you might want to read it yourself. Then we have batch size. Okay. So these you would read yourself or just for advanced users. Okay, so I'm going to grab my mouse. You could see it's giving me 100% accuracy that this is a mouse. Okay. Then let's try another object. Okay, so it's giving 90, 97, 98, 93 prediction that this is a brush. I'll do same for the bottle. Okay, 100% accuracy that it's a bottle. Okay, so our machine learning model is doing well to recognize files or objects. Okay, so you have the webcam. You can decide to click on the drop down and just choose image from your computer to see if your machine is doing well. Okay, so you could see it's not being trained well. We've not given it a lot of data sets and it's giving us wrong predictions. Okay, so let's download our model, or let's download the sample. We are going to extract it and then test our model. If we upload a file, we'll see if it will give us a accurate prediction. So extracted the file, you can drag and drop it. Okay, so I'm going to drag and drop this here. Let's see the prediction. Okay, so 100% accuracy that it's a brush. It's doing well. Our model is doing well. Okay, let's do same for the mouse. So I'm going to download samples, the mouse. Go through the same process of extracting, drag and drop it. Let's see. Give me 100% accuracy that it's a mouse. So you can export your model, TensorFlow, TensorFlow.js, TensorFlow Lite. You use them in your app, website, nothing. Okay. You could go through the documentations on how to upload it, how to use them in your project. Okay. So these are the actual code that's is being done behind the scenes. Okay. And this for TensorFlow.js. Okay, so yeah, and there's another format, p5.js. Okay, so let's see. You can save our project. So you need to, if you want to save it to your Google Drive, you could use this method, save it into your Google Drive. You're going to save it as a .ht, I think .tm format. So you can give your model a name. Then, so let me give it ML test. You could do it first test or first ML project. Just save it to my drive, my Google Drive. And as usual, you can always bring it back and use them. Okay, so open drive and let's see. Okay, so there's the project. It's saved as mltest.htm, that's Teachable Machine, I'm sure. As a format. And click on it, then open or you launch it in the Teachable interface. So loading project from drive. Okay, so you could either save it on your computer as a file that you could use, or you save it in Google Drive. Let's try saving it on our computer. Let's open project from drive. Okay, we can use this method to open from drive. You can make a copy in your drive. Let me see, frequently asked questions. Okay, so I'm downloading the project as a file, so it's downloaded as a project.teachable. Showing folder. Okay, so there's my project. Saved on my computer. Then let's see. Can open the project from files. So I'm going to search for where it's stored. And it should launch. Okay, so you could see it's loading. But this time around it's loading from my drive. It shouldn't be so. But I'm sure it's, we could use it. You can always change the name of your file. And disable any of the classes and enable them when you need them. You can create several samples and teachable promises to add more projects or more trainings that you could use your projects or you could train a model on. Okay, so hello, thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.